Catalog is the category where you can create a catalog based on the metadata of the data source. In catalog generation, tagging and labeling are supported. In this tutorial we are going to create a catalog from a data source already created. To create a data catalog, we must click on Catalogs tab from the menu on the left. If there are no catalogs configured, we can click on New Catalog button to add a new catalog. Same as in the data source category, in catalogs we must fill the catalog name that should be unique, choose a data source connection, and all tables are filled automatically. There is an option to select all the table fields by choosing all or select as many as we want by choosing selected tables. In the Tables section, tables are represented as a tree view, where we can see the table name and how many columns it has. When one of the tables or columns is selected, the Details section is visible with all the detail of the selected table or column, such as type, number of records, number of fields and so on. At the upper right corner, there are some buttons that have different functionalities. The difference between the ones at the top and the others inside the Details section is that those in the top are for the catalog schema, and those inside the Details section are applied only for the table or column selected. In the Metadata section, at the bottom right corner, we are able to tag a table or a column. To add a tag, we should click on the table or on the column, add a tag name on the input field next to tag and press on Enter. If the column is tagged, it has an icon on the column with the tag name on it. Same as for tagging, labeling is one other feature on Metadata section. To add a label, we should click on the table or on the column, add a key and value for labeling and click on plus button. If we want to delete the label, should click on button. If the column is labeled, it has an icon on the column with the label on it. We can also schedule runs for the catalog by going to the Schedule tab above and enabling the toggle button. Once the toggle is enabled, we can set a scheduler to run the catalog. First should be set a start date and an end date. After that, we can choose if the scheduler can run monthly, weekly, daily, hourly or in minutes and in what hour. To save the process, the user must click on Save and Run button and the catalog will be created. Running the catalog can be done also in the list of catalogs by pressing the play icon. With that click, the changes made on the catalog are saved and can be viewed in the Schema Evolution, Data Lineage.